hexadecimal means base 16 number system. So there are 0 to 15 digits in hexadecimal number system, and they are written as 0 to 9 and A to F. A means 10, B means 11, C means 12, D means 13, E means 14, and F means 15. So you have to perform hexadecimal multiplication now. So multiply 94 base 16 into 12 base 16. So let us do this. 2 into 4 is 8. 2 4s are 8. 8 is in hexadecimal number system. So write 8 here. 2 9s are 18. 18 is not there in hexadecimal number system. So we need to convert 18 into hexadecimal number system. So divide by 16. 16 1 16. Remainder is 2. We can also do like this. Okay. 18. We have to convert 18 into hexadecimal. So subtract 16 from it. So the value is 2. How many times I am subtracting 16 from 18? Only one time. So write 1 here. So 12. This is what? It came here. So in 12, this is called sum and this is called carry. Okay. So sum is 12 with carry 1. Carry you have to write here. Right? So now 1 into 4 is 4. 1 into 9 is 9. So add now. 8. 4 plus 2 is 6. 6 is in hexadecimal number system. So 6 here. 9 plus 1 is 10. 10 means A in hexadecimal number system. So write A here. This is the answer. This is equal to A68 to the base 16. And now let us move on to this problem. ABC base 16 into 23 base 16. C means 12. 12 into 3. 3 into C. So C means 12. 12 into 3 is 36. So we have to convert 36 into hexadecimal number system. So 16. 16 2 is 32 and remainder is 4. This is sum and this is carry. So write sum here and carry here. Now multiply 3 into B. B means 11. 11 into 3 is 33. 33 plus 2 is 35. So now convert 35 into hexadecimal number system. Since 35 is a decimal number and it is not present in hexadecimal number system. So 16 2 is 32 and remainder is 3. This is sum and this is carry. Okay. So sum you have to write here and carry here. Now 3 into A. A means 10. 10 into 3, 30. 30 plus 2, 32. 32 is not a hexadecimal number. It is a decimal number. So convert it into hexadecimal number by dividing with 16. So 16 to 32, remainder is 0. So this is sum and this is carry. So sum here and carry here. So there is no other term to multiply. Write carry here now. Now 2 into C. C means 12. 12 into 2, 24. 24 is not a hexadecimal number. It is a decimal number. So convert it into hexadecimal number by dividing with 16 or simply apply this trick. Subtract 16 from 24. Now the answer is 8. How many times you are subtracting 16 from 24? Only one time. So write 1 here. So this is sum and this is carry. So sum here and carry here. Now B into 2. B means 11. 11 into 2, 22. 22 plus 1, previous carry. So 23. So now convert 23 into hexadecimal number. So since it is not hexadecimal number, we have to convert this 23 into hexadecimal number 16. Okay, so 16 ones are 16, remainder is 7. So it is sum and this is carry. So 7 with carry 1. A into 2. A means 10. 10 into 2, 20. 20 plus 1, 21. 21 is not hexadecimal number. It's a decimal number. You have to convert 21 into hexadecimal number either by dividing with 16 or simply apply this trick. So 21 minus 16. It is 5. How many times I am subtracting 16 from 21? Only one time. So 15. 1 5. Okay. So 5 is sum and 1 is carry. 5 is sum and 1 is carry. So write 1 here. Now 4. 8 plus 3. 11. 11 means B. Write B here. 7 plus 0 is 7. 5 plus 2 is 7. And 1 here. So ABC base 16 into 23 base 16 is equal to 177B4 base 16.